you're going to tighten up your little bitty screw with your little bitty wrench. We got a new car part in. All right, let's install this car part that we just got in. It's a doozy. We're gonna have to pop the hood. There's a good chance if we're careful, we won't get dirty. We won't smash fingers. We won't even turn a wrench, ratchet, grab a socket, lose a 10mm, or anything of that. So let's pop the hood. All right, we got our little hood. Our hood prop, which is also known to the common folk as a garden PVC pipe sprinkler. Anyways. Oh, hey. How's it going, gorgeous? Best way to do this is like throw this guy against one of the bolts down here, and then you like close the hood to it, holds it right. This is the car part. If you don't know what it is, it's the little weather stripping deal that goes along here. Oh no, I'm gonna have to get a couple of these clips out. Ow! Freaking. Oh. Okay, well, there's one casualty. Oh, let's see. I gotta pull these clips out. Oh, good. I got one more. Just what I had asked for Christmas. So if you have a 1964 and a half to 66, I think to the best of my knowledge, it installs like this. So the clips just press in, and I think this side kind of goes up. So the one, here's the two, and let's try this out. Oh look, there it goes. Sweet. Alright. Then it just, they kind of line up. Alright, yeah. Nice little click. Yeah. We're not twisted. Some cleaning up to do. A little organization. Someone could do a better job parking. There. Oh, gross. Oh, gross. Oh, I see. Alright, so we got the one out. I'm trying to get this other one. But it's not a favorable, not a super favorable angle. See if we can take our technologically advanced hood prop and lean it down a notch. Of course not. It's worse. Ow! Got another knuckle down. It's just so close. Oh. Okay. So, of course it's not that easy. I know. I hear the comment. I hear you typing in your comments right now. Okay, it's what would come down to. Okay, pliers. Look, this is vintage Mustang weather stripping. It's so great and compact. It will disintegrate in your hand. We got another one to take out. Don't forget the proper uninstallation tools. It sure is not wanting to come out. Okay. So, pried that guy a little loose. Another junk. All right, now let's see if we can get. Hey. Okay. Progress. Gross. Oh. Look, if it works, it works, okay? Okay, hear me out. Sheet metal screws. Look, it's a sheet metal cawl. You little bitty screw with your little bitty winch. Oh, you gotta tighten up your little bitty screw with your little bitty winch. So much for having your little winches. All said we weren't gonna turn a wrench or a socket. Alright, let's pack up all these tools that we said we weren't gonna need or use in the beginning of this video and go do the other side. Alright, nice and tight. Nice. It's gonna kind of keep the weather out of this section and that section. But there's a giant hole in this. This install's done. It looks nice. There's no more just like open holes through the cowl area. So I appreciate you watching. Hit the like button, comment down below, and if you're new here, why don't you think about subscribing, and I'll see you guys later.